What's up, kid family? Bully Kid checking in here. Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we are going to be installing some leather stitched steering wheel cover on an old and abused steering wheel. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what I'm doing. Typically there are three options to take care of this problem. The first one is you just get a regular bolt-on steering wheel cover from a store. Now these are highly customizable, but they suck as far as fitment is concerned. The second set is to get something like this, which is a lace over leather steering wheel cover, which is good, but it's still old school. And this is the newest way to do it. You're actually going to stitch it yourself, and they have pre-cut for your specific steering wheel or a universal cut. For this video, we will be using a universal cut steering wheel cover, leather of course, perforated, and it comes with a needle and some thread, as you can see. Now we got this thing on eBay for about $8. As you can see, there's some foam pad, which will make this thing look and feel really well. First step, you just want to toss it over the steering wheel. This is a little challenging with one hand, but you're going to have to fairly stretch it over, and this is what you are looking at once you complete that step. Now the most important thing is where you want to place your stitching. I actually wanted it on the bottom of the steering wheel, but I know some people might want to choose this on top of the steering wheel. So I just align it, eyeball it to make sure it's in the middle, and once you have that ready, we will tie a knot on the needle here. But if you choose to double lace it, then you can avoid this step. Next step will be to double knot the end of that lace. And here comes the tedious process of lacing everything together. So I'm going to start right over here by the bottom of the steering wheel. So you want to insert it from the inside through a hole that's already been made from the previous lace. Push that through. Now it's very tricky in the beginning when you're first starting this, but once you get going, it's quick. And as you can see, that double knot's holding perfectly just how we want it on the inside. So now we're going to go on the exact opposite side, and we're going to pass it through the opposite lace. Now you just want to make sure, I'm counting 4, so I'm going to count 4 from the back too, so we get into the right one. You're going to pull that through. Let's hide our knot there. And some people go every stitch. We're gonna actually skip every other stitch. The only time I used every other stitch when I was really close to the pillars. Make sure you pull tightly, but not too tight. Now once we get to this step here, we're just going to force the needle from the right side to the left side, and on the opposite stitch, we're going to do it from the left side to the right side. This helps to ensure there is tension on these areas where we're not really stitching from front to back. And to simply tie it off, we made a few knots in the back of the steering wheel here, right in the middle. Everything is tight and holding well. And holy crap, guys, what a difference. Looks OEM, feels great, definitely isn't as bad of an eyesore as it was before. And the thicker steering wheel with the insulated foam inside really makes it feel like you're driving some kind of sports car. The edges are nice and tight. Everything feels secure. Definitely well worth the $8 and the hour it took to do this modification.